Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if a to the power 279 plus 1 over a to the power 279 is equal to 8, then find the value of a to the power 279 minus 1 over a to the power 279. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of this algebraic expression from this equation. So student, our given equation is a to the power 279 plus 1 over a to the power 279 is equal to 8. So student, to find the value of this algebraic expression from this equation, we have to apply the formula a minus b whole to the power 2 is equal to a plus b whole to the power 2 minus 4ab. So student, according to this formula, we can write in here a to the power 279 minus 1 over a to the power 279 whole to the power 2 is equal to a to the power 279 plus 1 over a to the power 279 whole to the power 2 minus 4 times, in the place of AB we have to write a to the power 279 times 1 over a to the power 279. To find the value of a to the power 279 minus 1 over a to the power 279, we have to put the value of a to the power 279 plus 1 over a to the power 279 is equal to 8 on the right hand side of this equation. So we can write from the right hand side of this equation 8 to the power 2 minus 4 times a to the power 279 times 1 over a to the power 279, that is a to the power 279 over a to the power 279 is equal to, we have to write the square of 8. 8 square, that is 64. So you have to write 64 minus. So student, according to this formula, we can write from this term 4 times a to the power 279 minus 279. Again we have to write 64 minus 4 times to the power 279 minus 279, that is a to the power 0. Again you have to write 64 minus 4 times a to the power 0, that is 1. According to this formula, we can write 1 in the place of a to the power 0. So after that, we have to write 64 minus 4, that is 60. So student, to find the value of a to the power 279 minus 1 over a to the power 279, we have to transpose the power 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So now we can write from this equation a to the power 279 minus 1 over a to the power 279 is equal to square root of 60. Equal to, in the place of square root of 60, we can write in here 2 times 15, that is plus minus 2 square root of 15. So student, the value of a to the power 279 minus 1 over a to the power 279 is plus minus 2 square root of 15. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.